Guys, today my bird is playing with his toys and run away. This is my bird's toys. It was a small ball. Oh, where's my bird going? Oh, where you go? This is not food. This is not for eight. Don't eating. Give it to me. Give me. You are a very bad bird. Where are you go? Where are you go? Don't run away. Don't run away. Give it me the ball. This is your ball. Okay? Oh, where are you go? Oh, this is not food. No, I don't give it this for you. No. Oh, where are you go? What? Help me. Oh, you goes to take this ball. Oh, my camera is very bad. Oh, people, please subscribe me for more video of my bird and my sport. Oh, you went to this? Give it. No, it was big. Give it this. Oh, no, don't take, don't. Give me. It was dangerous. Where you go? Bad bird. Okay, I have one challenge for you. This is a ball, yeah, okay? Go and give this ball, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, no, no, give it. Give it me. Oh, okay. And one more challenge. Go. Go very fast and take this and give it to me. This is the ball, no. No. Don't touch. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, where you go? Oh, bad bird. Where is the ball? Oh no! Don't touch it. Give it me. Okay. Go here. This is the ball. Do you like this? Oh, you like this, yeah? No, my finger. Yeah. Oh, I have one challenge for you. Go. 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 This is a one challenge, yeah. Go. Go. Go to your case. Go. The ball is in your case. Go to your case. This is the ball. Go. You can't going out. No. You don't know anything. Oh, no. Don't it. It was very crazy. Oh. No problem. Life is this. Very bad. Life is very bad. Yeah. Don't sad, bird. Okay, I love you, but I bring it you out. Going out. Don't miss it. Go, get it. Going out. Don't scare. This is for you. My bird, this is for you. Going out. My bird. You are my bird. Give it this. Oh, what is this? What do you eat? Oh, it was your food. Yeah, it. Can I take a video of your food? Okay, eat. You are very expensive. I buy you very expensive. Oh, your case is very bad. Uh, I was wash your case. Going out. For when do you not going out? This is for you. Oh, okay. This is for you. Okay. Do you like going out of the home? Oh, you can't. You very expensive. Give it this, not the very small. What do you say? Don't run away. What are you doing? What do you think? Oh, okay. You are sad. Yeah, for you. But don't eat. Oh. It was. No. Don't run. Don't. Give it me. Give it me. Bad bird. You can go. Just give it this. No, you can't. You can't eat it. You can't, yeah? Okay, don't miss it. Everyone, please subscribe for this bird. Do you like see the more video of this bird? Please subscribe. My bird driving. What? What do you said? Oh no, this is my camera is not for 8. Oh, my camera is very bad. Okay. What are you doing? Oh, time is finished. Goodbye my bird. Everyone, please subscribe to see more video of this bird. Everyone, say in the comment what is this bird's name. Say in the comment. And the last ball for you. Goodbye everyone.